Skoda Auto India has launched 3 cars today: the Karoq, Superb Facelift and the Rapid 1-litre TSI. Let's start with the Karoq. The company has launched the compact SUV at 25 lakh rupees and it comes to India as a completely built unit. The Skoda Karoq is a petrol-only SUV and is powered by a turbocharged 1.5-litre TSI petrol engine that is tuned to produce 148 brake horsepower and 250 Nm of peak torque. Transmission duties will be handled by a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox as standard. The SUV can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in 9 seconds before reaching the top speed of 202 km per hour. While globally the Karoq does get a 4x4 option, the India spec model is a front-wheel drive version. The Skoda Karoq is built on the MQB platform similar to the Volkswagen T-Roc, and visually the SUV shares its cues with its bigger sibling, the Skoda Kodiaq. Skoda has also launched the Superb Facelift in India and prices for the car start at 29,99,000 rupees. The 2020 Skoda Superb Facelift is also the first model to roll out of the Volkswagen Group's Aurangabad plant since it resumed operations last week. Bookings for the Superb are already open online for a token amount of 50,000 rupees. Under the hood, Skoda Auto India has decided to go petrol only in the BS6 era. So the Superb Facelift gets the 2-litre TSI petrol engine that is turbocharged and has been tuned to develop 187 brake horsepower and 320 Nm of peak torque. The third launch from Skoda Auto India is the Skoda Rapid 1-litre TSI, and prices for the model start at 7,49,000 rupees for the base variant, going all the way up to 11,79,000 rupees for the range-topping variant. The key highlight of the new Skoda Rapid of course remains the new 1-litre TSI engine that is turbocharged and belts out 108 brake horsepower and 175 Nm of peak torque. The engine is paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox as standard, while an optional 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission is also on offer.
Zach, quick follow-up on that then, the rationale for the significant difference in pricing or positioning between the Karoq and the T-Roc.
I can't comment on Volkswagen's pricing policy. We have a big premium SUV, which, as I say, is almost 4.4 meters long and with a luggage capacity of 521 liters, is one of the biggest in its class.
India Kawasaki Motor has launched the 2020 Z650 BS6 compliant motorcycle priced at 5,94,000 rupees ex-showroom. The launch is just days after prices for the Kawasaki Ninja 650 BS6 were announced in the country. The 2020 Kawasaki Z650 BS6 is about 25,000 rupees more expensive than the BS4 version, which is much less compared to the initial price estimate announced by the company at around 6,25,000 rupees. The new middleweight naked motorcycle not only gets a revised engine that meets the new emission norms, but a comprehensive set of upgrades as well. Interestingly, the engine does not have any power loss despite being upgraded to the BS6 emission norms.
We've had 15 years of sheer leadership bringing you the very best of the world of wheels. If you like the best, subscribe to our channel.